I got right here mini magnetic precision screwdriver set with 50 bits. Let's pull this out. Okay, how does this all go in? Locks in right here. What's in here? Ooh, USB to USB-C charger. One push right here and both of these things comes out. Lock. Screwdriver, reset, and this like aluminum base cover of some sort, metal. Feels like aluminum. This is interesting. I like it. Wow, that's easy to take it out. Very little bits. Star beads, flathead, Allen wrenches, star beads. Super easy to pull it out. There's Allen wrenches. There's more different, what do you call this? Flathead, super tiny, I love it. More stars, very small. And there's a dots, what they are. This is little square Phillips heads, little needle nose tweezers, and little paddle right here. Beautiful. Plug it back in. Nice. I really like how easy it is to come out. And very unique extended screwdriver. And it's electric with a flashlight. Okay, there's plastic around here, protective plastic. The charger in the back, USB-C. Reverse, forward, unscrew and screw with a nice flashlight. Wow. Oh, low and high. So right here, low, high, lock. Lock, that way not going to push it accidentally unless flashlight needed. Low, so the screw does not get stripped. High for much faster. Very nice and very easy to lock it in. And take one out. We need much smaller one. Super easy. I really love it. Electric ball pump, 19.9 psi max. Beautiful packaging. Ooh, nice. USB-C charger, needle for the ball. Ooh, another needle for the ball. So it's mainly made for the ball. That's where the hose is going to go. Nice and tight fit. That's good. We don't want to lose any air. There's a display. It comes pre-charged, PSI. Okay. There's set basketball, football, soccer ball, volleyball, and the football. Okay. Plug it in. Empty ball. Press and hold. Okay, volleyball. Press on again, and it should be preset at 4 psi. I guess I can turn it off anytime. Let's see. Yes, I can just turn it off anytime, and it is at 1.23 psi. Wow, it's filling up really fast. I like it. There's a charger on this side. There's a light. Maybe. Okay, we'll check it out. 4 psi. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Plus and minus, and flashlight turns on. And then back to presets. That's cool. Off. Boom. I like how there's a flashlight. That is very cool. And charger port is right here. USB-C charger that comes with. Ride and Rain all-weather universal notebook. Okay, it's actually writes really well on it. Any kind of pen, pretty much. Wow, that looks good. I have a gel pen right here. Works really well. Feels like a regular nice paper. Okay, take off a page, no problem. Looks like a paper as well. Turn the water on, and whoa, some of the ink did come off. because it's a gel pen. This time we're going to do with pencils. Pencil works really well. Nice. Feels like a regular paper. Okay, there goes nothing. Oh yeah, so the gel pens only get washed out. Regular pencils and regular pens will not. And look at that water rolling off. That paper is dry. It's just water sitting on top of it. It's just moist, but it didn't soak in water that much. Love it. All-in-one food jar, 18 ounces, keeps food or liquid hot for 12 hours or cold for 12 hours. That's awesome. So there's a spoon. Okay, looks like we need to remove this. Okay, this comes off. It's really nice and tight. I don't think it will ever slide out by mistake. This is a spork. Okay. Sticker comes off pretty easily, so that's good. Has a hook. Let's unspin it. It spins tight this way, unspin it this way. Another lid right here. Wow. It's highly insulated and it does look like a jar. So soup, I don't know, grits, thick with the rubber, so it will be waterproof. This is awesome. Okay, there's something in here, I think. Oh wow, so for the sauce or whatever, lay a container on top of it. That is so smart. Obviously it will be waterproof. Looks nice and tight. Love it. Stanley Classic lunchbox. Very nice. Looking really retro. There's a logo, there's a couple clips. There's the bottom. Okay, this side here unfolds up. Easy to carry. Then all metal. So cool. This side here is for the like a coffee holder or water bottle. Let's start it and see if it will work with this one. Okay, will it hold it? Wow, it does hold it really well. So that's nice, and all the other lunch can go under it. This is just for example, and this can go in here, and other components can go in here. Whole bunch of different ones. Carry it all together. This is perfect. I love the classic look to it. And then if I need to take this out, boom. So this is like, works like a spring. Also, I think this is very good option for picnic as well. It's just very unique. Yeti Mole Zinger bottle opener. Ooh, opens up so well. Okay, comes up like this. This right here, keyring. Boom. So have a really nice swivel. Whoa, it comes off very far away. So plenty of space to detach it. And it has enough power to bring it back, no problem. That's a really good feather. Wow. Okay. It will go on a strap this way. I probably would be better with a thicker strap, but this is just for example. It will sit this way. Nice. Now I can come off up and down sitting onto the strap. Very cool. And easy to take it off. I really like it. Most important, it does retract really well. And it is really long too. Quickly show you how long that is. So if it's attached to a cooler, it's plenty of space. Open up soda bottles and things like that. And the can opener, very simple but very useful. Yeti. And there is a little note over here. Wildly stronger, keep ice longer. Very cool. And one more time. It's retracts really well. Milwaukee Pack Out Compact Organizer. There's a quick release button and lock on the side. 1, too. Comes out. Super easy. There's some ideas. No matter which way, putting it back in. There's a slides in here. Highly customizable. Okay. Locks in. Locks in. So unlock. So very tight. This is what the tool will look like. Locks in. Easy to pull it up. Nice. And locks in like this onto other Milwaukee mounts or other boxes. Ninja 12 cup coffee maker. This comes off, removable, goes to the sink. This the coffee. I put this paper and there's a filter like a net. I do the double filter. Then there's a pot. Slides out this way for cleaning. Beautiful. Okay, let's start to use it. Comes with a measuring spoon. This is where the coffee will go to, right on top. And the normal settings I do power on, brew, classic, and there you go. It will beep and got my coffee, nice and dark, very hot. Stanley light, very interesting. Stands out this way, like a little propeller looks like, but also it becomes a lantern this way, or up and down, goes this way. Very cool. There's a USB rechargeable port, flashlight, dimmer, lantern, all four. And then once again, lantern, all four. Open this up, boom. That is very nuclear flashlight. This is what it looks like in complete darkness. It is very bright, so we can see everything inside the room. And there's the darker modes. They're lower, just one. And if you're working on something, this is probably the best, and all of them. Very nice and powerful. Two-way USB charge unit, charge personal electronics. Wow, that's awesome. So it's a power bank too.